Alright, welcome back to the channel. Hi, my name is Mike, and for the easy woodworking project, it's going to be this right here. It's like a little farmhouse hanging, where you hang it on the wall and you put your envelopes into it. You put your envelopes in here, like this. You can put some key hooks there, or just whatever you want to hook on there. A little chalkboard in the back here so you can put notes, leave notes if you take off or something. So you kind of put this up where you're going out the door someplace in the back, you know. Really nice. So we're going to go ahead and make it today for you and show you guys how to do it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, this is what we're going to need right here, and it's all made out of 2x4s. This is just some scrap 2x4s you can see here, and we took it on saw and we split it and then just sanded it down. Put it on a sander and sand it down. We end up with just some nice little 1x. If you take a 2x4 and cut it in half, you get 3/4 by 3/4. Makes an inch and a half. Okay. So we're going to start out. Let's put this little boards here off to the side. We're going to need this one here, and then we're going to need these two. These two are 13 inches long. 13 inches long, 2.5 inches by 1.5 inches. You're going to need two of those. And they're going to go just like that right there. Okay, we need another board, and this one is going to be 16 inches long by 2.5 inches wide and 3/4 inches thick. I'm going to use a little bit of glue and 1.5 inch staple in this. So we'll start right here on the bottom, put a little bit over here. Place it in there as best you can. One. And then put a staple on this side here. Okay. Now we're going to flip this one over, put it on this side. Okay, just like that, and then we're going to put, well, we need the bottom on, so let's go ahead and just put this bottom board. And this bottom board, let's see, yes, this is the one. It's going to be 16 inches long, now by 3.25 inches wide and 3/4 inch thick. And this one will go right here on the bottom. Now I'm going to put this board here, just kind of set it up on top like that. So I'll have this a little bit more straighter on the bottom. We'll put a little glue down here and put some staples in that. Line it up. Alright, sometimes your staples don't go all the way through. Alright, now we can go ahead and put this top board on here. Now I did pre-drill a couple holes here, and then I set that so I can put my my little hooks in it. So let me go ahead and put a little glue here. This on top. Now this one, better give you a measurement, 16 inches by 3.5 inches. So that was basically with a 2x4 where I didn't cut the edges off. I just kind of left it rounded. Thought it gave it a little bit more character just to see the roundness on it. Of course, it's 3/4 inches thick. And I'm just going to line it up with the bottom. And then we're going to put some staples in it. Okay, this is what we have so far. You can see this side. Now the top, what I did is I took the board is actually 18 inches long, and I wanted it to hang over just a little bit, just like that. Of course, this one has a little scuffy mark on it. We're going to put that in back here. And then I kind of centered it up, and I put 2 marks. So I brung them in an inch on both sides. So I just brung back an inch here and brung back an inch here, and it gave me 16 inches between the center here. So they come out pretty decent. Now the thing about that, we're going to need, okay, pull this back here like this, and then bring it up here and set it. And then we're just going to line it up with those 2 and put some staples in there. Just like that. We want it flush, laying up against the table. Okay, here we go. That's what you got now. Now this board here, it's just gonna, this aspenite board is just gonna come right here and end up in the back of this. Okay, just like that right there. As you can see on this side here, just kind of bring it here like this. Okay, and then we're going to end up just putting some staples in this through here. Okay, so you can glue it down. I'm going to put a couple staples in it, but then I'm going to tear this apart. Okay, and then go ahead and put some stain on it. So right now I'm just putting it together to show you guys. Just like that. Okay, now we need to put some hooks up here. Now these hooks, I bought these off of Amazon. You can pick them up pretty cheap. I bought a whole bag of them just for a few bucks. Look them up on Amazon. They're just really small little hooks. Well, if you pre-drill these, it makes them a lot easier to get the screws down inside of there, so you don't kind of mess up what you're working on. So I just pre-drill them just a little bit, so it'd be easier to get them started. Start with this thing. Okay, there you go. That's simple. Really nice. I really like this. It came out really nice. Okay, that's it right here. I went ahead and stained it, get it all stained up. I use a Miniwax stain. There's a lot of different types of stain out there. This one here is a called Special Walnut 226. So if you guys wanted to know what this color was, I don't know how much those things are. You'll look at Lowe's or Home Depot, so they go up and down price all the time. So a nice little project. I really enjoyed this, using it, just my some of my scrap wood. That is a nice little chalkboard where you can write on it and leave little notes if you go somewhere. You know, your family would know where you went. Real easy to exchange. If you want to take them off, you can take this off and just knock it out. It's just made out of that real thin wood. If you had to replace it, but they do make chalk paint, so you can even recoat the surface again if you wanted to later. Put your couple hooks on the back here. Put one on each side here, so it'll be nice and heavy hooks hanging on your wall, and enjoy it. Okay, that's it today for the Easy Woodworking Project. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So you have a great day, and thanks for watching.